Oh wow, that's a great tasting smoothie. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make one of the best vegan protein smoothies packed with healthy greens. Green smoothies are a great way to fit in your daily dose of fruits and veggies. So whether you're vegan or not, this smoothie has many health benefits that your body needs. The greens that we'll be using today are high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, but low in calories. So this is the perfect smoothie if you're looking to lose weight, feel great, or just get in your daily dose of greens. Greens are most nutritious when consumed raw. So let's gather all our ingredients, toss in the blender, and see how this turns out. Alright, well let's give it a try. Oh wow, that's a great tasting smoothie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Try this smoothie out and let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the ring the bell icon so you can get notified when we post weekly videos. And until next time, stay healthy and stay strong.